When you really think about it, all buildings come from the past, whether they were finished yesterday or 100 years ago. So what makes a building timeless? So from the street, this is quite a tough building.
What I wanted to do was have the toughness of the building softened with holes of shadow. And I took the idea from Palladio, who is an architect from the 14th century.
Palladio, he wrote the textbook on architecture.
I think it's very relevant to use all of history. Buildings need to last. That's the most environmental thing we can do. Have buildings that will last and are loved through the ages.
It's quite a generous but compact apartment, but it strikes me you could have put a wall here, we could have split the apartment and had two. You chose not to.
It's very important in the design of apartments to consider three things. The first is light, the second is air, and the third is privacy. You can see that we've got light coming in from the north. We have the cross ventilation that goes right through the unit, and we have an enormous amount of privacy with the way that we've articulated the facade on the street.
For all the concrete, you've also got this lovely touch of timber.
Timber is a beautiful material to touch, and I think where there's an opportunity to have people touch the building, we soften that with the materiality of timber, and particularly here where it's not shiny. I think it's quite beautiful that it's not shiny and absorbs the light.
Angelo strikes me like a tailor, taking care how he cuts the cloth, thinking about every stitch. But fashion comes and goes, buildings last. And don't we all wish there was a bit less bargain bin and a bit more quality on the rack?